Assalamualaikum students, I hope you are all fine. Today we are going to discuss two topics, visual presentation and oral presentation. So we will begin with the visual presentation. Okay, so first of all, kindly compare these two images. Uh, okay, let me get a pointer. Acha. So in these two images you might see this image or this written, this is a message, okay, stay home, stay safe. Okay, this has been presented in two ways. This one, the one on the right side, is simply a simple message, stay home, stay safe. There's nothing graphic about it, there are no visuals added to it. But the other one on the left side, it has some colors added to it, a home is made, and the message has been presented to you in a visual manner. So the difference between the two is the message is the same, but due to the difference in the visual, the one with the graphic representation is more attractive to us. Okay, then let's see these two messages. The first one is people, especially relatives, should not interfere in our affairs, and the second one is that I have horrible memories with dogs, unlike other people. Okay, these two are simple messages again, and there is no visual added to it. So you do understand what is being said in these messages, but if you see these messages in the memes in the following slide, you will see the difference. See, the first one says two surgeons collapsed after a 32 hours long surgery to remove the leg of my relatives from my personal affairs, and you can see two surgeons lying on the floor. Obviously, this kind of operation was never done, but the meme has been made, or the message or the picture has been combined to enhance the meaning of the message that the person who has made this meme wants to convey. In a similar manner, you can see that there are two kinds of memories with dogs. It is shown that others have very pleasant memories with dogs, but me, or the person who has made the meme, says that my memories with dogs are very horrible. So again, if you compare it to the previous slide, this slide, you can see that here the messages, both the messages are conveyed. You understand what is being said, but the thing is that when a graphic detail is added to it, the message is enhanced even more, and your understanding of the message is enhanced even more. Okay, so visual presentation refers to the expression of ideas about some matters while using visual aids such as visual multimedia. Visual presentations such as graphs, tables, charts, and diagrams bring together the verbal and visual to another dimension, and visual add another dimension to the information and create a totally new part towards understanding its meaning. Say, okay, visual presentation simply is a thing that you express your ideas in a graphical manner. Check these graphs and these bar charts and the pie charts. You will see that whenever you see some of these graphs, your information or your knowledge is enhanced even more. Usually statistical data is presented descriptively, but that does not retain in your mind. But when the same information is presented through graphs or pie charts or bar charts, then your information or your knowledge or your understanding of a particular topic is enhanced even more. Acha, a presenter can therefore use visual interpretation of information to maximize the effectiveness by making sure that the elements are presented as clearly as possible. Whoever is presenting in a presentation, they make use of visual elements so that the information is retained in the minds of the audience. ठीक है, आप जब भी presentation अमूमन देते हो, you make use of charts or other such thing, you add diagrams to it. So when you add colors to it, diagrams to it, or drawings to it, you make the presentation more clear to the audience. The more complex and detailed the information is, the more important the information will be. If used well, visual presentation will support the presentation by strengthening audience involvement An impact, however, if badly managed, they can interfere with the presentation. It is very important कि let's suppose अगर आपकी information बहुत ज़्यादा complex है या it's very detailed, so you have to use relevant visual aids. ये नहीं है कि you are presenting a presentation about corona virus और आप जो है उसमें मौसम से related जो है कोई information डाल दो या उसमें आप मिकी माउस के cartoons डाल दो. That would not appeal to the audience. That will not add understanding to the minds of the audience. And if your presentation is badly managed, then obviously it will not have any impact. Most visual presentations require prior preparation and should be operated with a lot of efficiencies. If you wish to use such presentations in an unfamiliar room, you need to check the facilities that are there in advance so as to plan your presentation well. Overall, the visual presentation must focus on relevant information. This is for such presentations जहाँ पे आप PowerPoint use करना चाहो, projector use करना चाहो. So let's suppose if you want to present such things, or let's suppose you want to show videos to people, it is very important that you have the facilities. The place where you are presenting this thing, there should be those facilities. So you should know कि जहाँ मैं present कर रही हूँ या कर रहा हूँ वहाँ पे ये facilities मौजूद हैं और फिर ही आप वो वाले visual aids जो है वो अपनी presentation में add करो. अच्छा, this is just for some fun fact that studies show that people remember 10% of what they hear, 80% of what they read, and 20% of what they read, and 80% of what they hear and see. So if you both hear and see something, when you read something, you hear something, and you see something together, this makes you remember the things more easily. Acha, the next one. The next topic we have oral presentation. Oral means to listen. ठीक है, ये सुनने से related है. अच्छा, I have shown you TEDx videos in class. ठीक है, so if you might have noted, if you have seen the videos clearly, you might have noted कि जब भी कोई presenter जो है वो अपना कोई case present कर रहा होता है या if he is trying to show you some research, there are always some visual aids. ठीक है, there are always some pictures added to it. ठीक है, यहाँ पे मुनीबा मज़ारी जो है वो अपनी वो स्टोरी बता रही है लेकिन पीछे से वो अपनी पिक्चर्स भी शो कर रही हैं. जैसे यहाँ पे वो अपनी सर्जरी की उन्होंने पिक्चर्स जो है वो स्लाइड में ऐड की हुई है. अच्छा, so an oral presentation is a short talk on a set topic given to a tutorial or seminar group. In an oral presentation, one or more students give a talk to a tutorial group and present views on a topic based on their readings or research. The rest of the group then joins in a discussion of the topic. Example, TED Talk, discussion between teachers and students. Oral presentation simply एक आप कोई discussion कर रहे हो या एक teacher जो है अमूमन वो आपको एक oral presentation ही दे रहा होता है एक topic के बारे में, लेकिन oral presentation जैसे यहाँ पे एक मुदीबा मज़ारी आपको एक oral presentation दे रही हैं. ठीक है, तो it is about a specific topic. She is telling you about her story. There are other TED videos जिसमें the presenters are giving you information about their researches. So oral presentation includes all these things. There are also oral presentations in tutorials and seminars and conferences and different meetings. One student or one person might present some information and it might happen that others also join the discussion. The audience might join the person who is speaking, or if there are groups, if there's a whole group, then the whole group might add their information in the presentation. Now, an oral presentation is similar to giving a speech, but is usually not just a person behind a lecture. Please correct this word. Visual aids and teaching tools are used to further enhance the spoken words, and oral presentation can be given as an individual or as part of a group. It might also add components of technology such as slideshow, video clip, or audio recording. That oral presentation is similar to a speech. ठीक है, एक normal speech जो होती है या एक normal lecture जो होता है, but it is better that you add some visual aids to it so that people understand your topic in a better manner. For instance, if you see the pictures, there's this little girl. She's simply reading from her notes, but the second child is actually explaining things from the chart that he has made. Say if these are children, लेकिन अगर elders हों, ठीक है, आपकी age के हों, so you can add other elements to it as well, like slide shows on PowerPoint, or you can add video clips or audio recordings so that you can enhance the understanding of the audience in a better manner. TED videos are a good example of that thing. They use slideshows, they often add video clips or audio recordings so that their point can easily be explained to the audience. So this is the end of the lecture. I hope you have understood it. If you have any questions, kindly message me. Thank you so much.